Hi everyone and welcome back to Simple&smart YouTube page. Today we are going to talk about the dental cart. The dental instrument cart is a standalone device with all the instruments that we normally use on the instrument tray on a typical dental chair, but is independent. It has wheels and it can be connected in different ways. I would like to talk about different solutions because sometimes it's not clear where you can connect this instrument cart and which kind of solution we can offer in order to simplify your ergonomy and allow you to work in the best way possible. The first solution is to have this cart standalone, and the cart you can connect on a wall, for example, where you have the water, air and electricity system. In this case, you should have already the valves that control the air and water pressure in the wall. Otherwise, we can also provide this valve together with the cart. In this case, the cart is independent and you're going to connect wherever you want in the clinic. A very simple solution, and you can go around with the cart as you like. At the same time, you can also connect the cart to an existing dental chair, not on the wall, but on the dental unit that you have already in the clinic. And in this case, we can also provide the valve to control the water and air pressure, but normally those are from the dental unit chair base and you can connect there. If you don't have this kind of valves on the dental chair or it's difficult to apply there, we can also provide a separate box with this valve already installed. Another solution is to have the cart connected on a dental unit that we provide, so a complete set of Simple&smart chair where you don't have the instrument tray and the arm, but you have the cart that can go around the dental unit. Why with this kind of solution is because sometimes you need to work on the left side or in the right side and you need more space to work around the patient. You can put the cart on the opposite sides. It allows you to have a more smooth operating space around you. Another option is to connect the cart to a standalone dental unit. So you don't have the water unit, the lamp and all the system, but you have just the cart and the standalone. This solution is normally used for the first visit or sometimes for hygiene, but it depends what you need the chair for. Starting from this base, that is the standalone chair without water unit and without anything, and to have only the car connected, we can put other option according to your needs. For example, one option can be the lamp. In this case, you will have the standalone, the lamp and the cart. Or you can add the suction, for example, with an independent cart in order that you have two different systems, the dental unit instrument cart and the suction cart. So two different devices that can go around the chair as you wish during the treatment. Another option that we present last year in EDS is to have the cart and the suction attached to the unit. So the instrument cart, as we said before, but plus you have the suction on the assistant tray. So we apply the assistant tray on the back of the dental unit, and in this case you have the suction system already connected, so not as the previous option that we was offering, that is the independent suction cart. In this case the suction is attached to the dental chair and you can go around from left to right with the suction system and with the instrument that you have on the assistant tray. So it can be the syringe or the polymerization lamp, or for example one turbine or one pneumatic micromotor. At the end, we made this video to present you a little bit the option that we can create around the dental chair and around the cart, the instrument cart. And the purpose is to show that there are different options that you can choose. In this way, you can also understand that with us it's possible to customize everything around the dental unit in order to provide you the best solution and ergonomy system that is the best for you. To resume a bit, there is the cart independent that is connected to a wall or an existing dental chair. The car connected to a standalone dental unit that we provide. The car connected to a standalone dental unit but with different options that you can create as you wish. So it can be, for example, the lamp, the suction and other equipment. And the fourth one is the cart connected to a dental chair. So you don't have the instrument tray, but you have the cart that can go around the unit. And this last solution is a complete dental chair. For the suction, as I say, there are also different solutions, the card that we normally buy from Cattani, or different type of system that we apply on the dental unit. In case you want to know more about all this system and you want to clarify something, you can also have a direct call with us, a video call where we explain the different solutions that we can provide. So feel free to contact us here on YouTube. You can just write in the comments, or you can contact by email or by visiting our website. I really hope that the information supplied was clear. If it's not, you can, as I said, contact us. And thank you for watching this video. See you next time.